Tonight, we have every reason to celebrate. In just a few months after our launch, our product has proven to be a force to reckon with. Our sales is phenomenal. And for this, I would like to congratulate and thank all of you. More power to all of us. This is your night. Let's go on with our celebration. Let's have some fun. Sayawan na!
John, I'm so happy we made it.
Miss Ruscha,
Ay,
thank you for a job well done.
thank you, sir.
Sa ulitin, ha?
Of course, sir. Basta kayo.
Okay.
Thank you. Joanne, sana makuha natin ang launching ng susunod na product nila. 3 million ang budget. Wait, first things first, Tere. Can you call Solid Mills in the morning tapos pakisabi kay Christina tuloy ang ocular natin sa Hong Kong next month?
Yeah, okay.
And we have to leave in 10 minutes, ha? Kasi maaga pa tayo bukas eh.
Okay,
maaga
okay.
pa tayo sa kabila.
Joanne, tayo ba magpo-provide ng video wall bukas? Joanne? Joanne?
Hey! What's going on here? How dare you!
Stop it.
No, I won't! She's a know it. That's why we left her.
Lara, I said stop it.
Let's go, Dad! If this woman is my mother, I'm glad you dumped her.
Lara, wait.
Hey! Stay away from me, okay? Come on, let's go!
I'm sorry.
Dad! Come on!
Lara, wait.
Joanne? Sino yun? Problema ng dalawa.
Believed in you, but you leave when you said you would never let me go. All I gave was love. Was that enough? Tell me the truth, I need to know. I can say to myself that I don't need you beside me. That I finally put it all behind me, but I'd only be lying to myself. And I'd only be dreaming of what I know would not come true. 'Cause no matter what I do to try to think I'm doing well, to fight. What do? I just don't know. I can say to myself that I never needed you anyway. And after all, I've nothing more to say, but I'd only be lying to myself. And I'd only be dreaming of what I know would not come true. 'Cause no matter what I try to do, to think I'm doing well, reality is that I'm still not over you. I thought that it was never ending. No, I thought that we were not pretending it was real. I know my heart was so real.
Hello, si Lara pwede makausap? Sino po sila? Pakisabi, mami niya. Stephen, stop it. Hello? Papi, stop it. Hello?
Hello?
Yes?
At tulog pa ho si Lara?
Sir, pwede pakigising, pakisabi importante. Day, si Lara nandyan ba?
Sila?
Si Lara, mami niya ako.
Po?
Lara? Lara!
Day, sarado
Lara,
mo
can we
gate.
talk? Lara, it's mommy. Just a few minutes, please. Can we talk?
Grandma, I don't want to see her.
Lara!
Nag-usap na ba kayo? Does she want to live with you?
I'm her mother. She's my daughter. Dapat sa akin siya sumama, di ba? Hindi sa daddy niya.
Malaki na si Lara. She can choose for herself. In fact, even if you try to file for custody, baka mahirapan kang sumama siya sa'yo.
Asawa mo pa rin siya. At may anak ka pa rin sa kanya. Eh, paano naman si Papa Teddy?
Alam mo, napaka-presumido niyong dalawa. Wala pang ginagawa yung tao sa akin, kundi inisin ako, okay? Okay?
Oh my, oh my. Sister! Parang anak mo na lang yan. Maawa ka naman. Di ka napapatulan yan, no?
Utang na loob, ipapapray over kita.
Excuse me, mga lola. Just watch me. Kaya pa ng powers ko yan. Okay, dare. Dapat in 5 seconds, you will know his name at mapapaupo mo ang bagets na yan, baby. 1 2
Miguel Zaragoza?
Sorry?
Join us!
Frey.
I'm not Miguel.
4
I'm Jake Villard.
Oh, in fairness, successful na.
Supposed to meet a friend, but I guess I've been stood up.
Oh, how sad. It's a good thing I'm here.
Oh, I
Girl,
see.
sorry I'm late.
Hi. I'm Jake.
I'm Sid.
Okay, be good, ah. Love you.
Bye, Mommy.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Walang yaka? May mukha ka pang bumalik dito? Kriminal! Ipapupulis kita!
Sandali nga. Sandali lang.
Mga kapitbahay, tulungan niyo ako! Tumawag kayo ng pulis!
Ano ka ba? Ano bang pinagsasabi mo?
Hayop ka, ninako mo, anak ko! Mrs. Laksa, tumawag kayo sa security. Sabihin niyo, papatayin ako ng takbo!
Hoy, pakawalan mo yan.
Huwag kang makialam dito, ah. Problema namin mag-asawa to, ah.
Mag-asawa naman pala yan. Hindi ko siya asawa! Kidnapper siya!
Joan!
Tumawag kayo ng
Joan!
pulis!
8 years na palang nakalipas. Bakit ngayon ka lang magdidemanda?
Hindi, nag-file na ako ng report noon sa mga police right after the kidnapping. Pero hindi na prosper ang case kasi nga hindi malaman ng mga police kung saan hahanapin yung asawa ko.
Unfortunately, the law says you cannot file a case of kidnapping against your husband. Siya pa rin ang ama ng anak mo.
Joan! Parating na security!
Hindi pa tayo tapos
Hoy! Ayoko na makita yung mukha mo, ha? Bumalik ka na nga sa Amerika kung ayaw mong mabulok sa kulungan. Hindi ako nagbibiro, Dennis, ha? Pag bumalik ka pa dito, talagang tatawag na ako ng pulis!
Tumawag ka na ngayon!
Ang kapal! Kapal mo!
Ang ingay mo!
Kapal!
So he's alive?
Kala ko nga multo, eh.
Joanne, ang sabi mo, patay na siya at byuda ka na.
Hey, what I said was that he might as well be dead dahil 8 years na akong walang balita sa kanya. Ted, paano na ngayon?
What? Does he want you back?
I doubt it very much.
Did Joanna ask you to marry her?
On the contrary, she refused to marry me.
Si Dennis ang nagpumilit na magpakasal kami noon. Pumayag lang ako when he was able to convince me na kawawa naman ang magiging anak namin kung lalaki itong walang ama.
Plan A has to go into action.
What's plan A?
Have your marriage annulled?
So what's plan B?
Let's get married.
Sira ka talaga. Bahala ka na dyan, ha? I-double check mo na lang yung layout.
John, ito na yung drink mo.
Thank you. Ikaw sa sound, yung feedback.
Wilfred, check mo yung mga panels para sa
Could you
second
bring
part,
some
ha?
of that there, please?
Usog mo ng konti yan.
So, nasikaso mo na ba yung mga dapat asikasuhin?
Oh, yung isa pa.
Ay, mga red naman
Sound
sa'yo.
check, please.
Mic test. 1, 2. Mic test.
Joan,
1.
Bakit ba lagi ka
pwede
nakabuntot?
ba tayo mag-usap ng maayos?
Please, talk to my lawyer.
Dennis! Dennis!
Celine, I told you to wait for me in the car, di ba?
Ang tagal mo eh. I was dying of boredom.
Joan, si Celine.
Hi. Dennis's very first girlfriend.
Hi, Dennis's very first wife.
Have you told her?
Joan, I want an annulment.
Actually, Dennis has already filed the annulment. So we can get married. Finally. Nung pa sana namin gusto mo pakasal ni Dennis sa States, but I had just gotten divorced from my American husband a few weeks ago, and Dennis was sweet enough to wait for me, so...
I'm really not interested in your love story. Ba't niyo pa ako ginugulo? Hindi na lang kayo magpakasal sa States.
We want to live here, so we have to be legally married here.
Celine, sige na. Hintay mo lang ako sa kotse.
But Dennis...
Go ahead, just wait for me in the car. Go.
Ang kapal talaga ng mukha mo.
Joan,
You abandoned me without justifiable cause. Pagkatapos ngayon hihingi ka ng annulment, dapat dinimanda na kita noon pa, traidor!
ba't di mo ginawa?
Because I thought you were dead. And right now, I wish you were.
Are you okay? Gusto mo, upakan ko yung lalaking yan eh.
Dapat hinupakan ko yung kasi yung kabit niya. Dapat, ipinag-uuntog mo mga ulo ng mga walang ya.
Tignan ko lang kung makuha ng Dennis na yan ang annulment niya.
Ano? Hindi ka makikipag-cooperate? Ibigay mo na para magkaroon ka ng sarili mong buhay.
Well, let's just see if Dennis can prove in court na ako may kasalanan kung bakit nag-fail ang marriage namin.
In all honesty, mas mahal mo si Dennis noon kesa sa mahal mo si Teddy
Ay,
ngayon.
nako.
Mare,
Mm.
panakip butas mo lang si Papa Teddy, no?
Wala na ba talaga akong kakampi sa inyo?
Well, I'm on your side, honey.
Thank you.
Pagkatapos kang torturing ng Dennis na yun, you deserve someone exactly as opposite, no?
Well, FYI, between Teddy and Dennis, I will pick Teddy anytime. You know, he's, boyishly charming. He's, generous. Talented. He has a crazy sense of humor. At, higit sa lahat, isa lang ang mahal niya. Ako lang. you know, it makes me feel, secure. Yung ba tipong kahit niya ako iiwan, okay?
Alam mo ba kung bakit ka iniwan ng asawa mo after 4 years of marriage?
Sinundan niya si Celine sa States. Si Celine ang talagang girlfriend ni Dennis noon eh. She was the girl he wanted to marry. Mahal siguro talaga ni Dennis si Celine, ano? Para iwan niya ako ng ganun-ganun lang.
Nabitin lang si Dennis doon dahil iniwanan siya. Men are like dogs. Hahabulin ka pag tinakbuhan mo.
There, oh, very good. Okay, now your arms now.
You got it, you got it.
Very good! Stephen, you're doing it na!
Mami, gusto ko next
Fun?
week ulit ha. Promise ha.
Talaga to, oh. Ted, diuwi na natin si Stephen. Nilalamig na siya eh.
Ma, alam niyo pala bakit hindi niyo sinabi sa akin?
Bakit pa? Eh, hiwalay na kayo ni Joanne.
Pero ma'am, she's the mother of my kids.
Kids? Well, maybe Lara, but I'm not sure about Steven being our grandson.
Why do you think that boy's your son? Iniwan bang buntis si Joanne?
Robert, kung alam ko na buntis si Joanne, hindi ko siya iiwan.
What if you find out na anak mo nga yung bata? Babalik mo ba si Ate Joanne?
Wow, pwede ba? Sandali lang. Na-overload na yung utak ko eh. I'll deal with that later. What I want to know, ano ba? Anak ko ba siya? Kamukha ko ba siya? Ano, roots niya ba siya?
Look, we haven't seen him up close.
Ako nakita ko siya nung baby pa siya. Sa supermarket.
Nakita mo siya? Hindi mo man lang ako sinabihan? Hindi mo man lang ako sinulatan?
Paano kayo nagkakilala ng asawa mo?
Magkakabarkada kami. Girlfriend siya ng best friend ko na si Nolly.
Maybe... I don't know. I don't know eh.
Ang tingin ko, Doc, gusto niyo maghiganti kay Nolly.
Maybe that night, I was just feeling so rejected by Nolly. Nag-self-pity ako. I was really vulnerable. And I was very lonely.
Dennis, on what grounds are you filing for an annulment?
Doc, I believe at the time I contracted marriage with my wife, she was psychologically incapacitated to fulfill and comply with her obligations
Dennis,
as a wife.
it's been 8 years and not once ka nakibalita sa amin tungkol kay Joanne. So why should you care now?
I don't care about her. Interesado ako doon sa bata.
I wouldn't bet on it na anak mo nga siya.
Ay,
Dennis,
nako.
malakas ang chismis no, nung habang nasa States ka, nagkabalikan si Nolly Joanne.
Ma?
Hoy, Joanne!
Hi, tita!
Nakakahiya. Flirt ako ng flirt sa gwapong bisita ng daddy mo. Si Dennis na pala yun. Nagbahali ka na pala kayong mag-asawa. And good news, diba? Dininig din ng prayers ko. Eh, ako'y nagmamadali. Bingo day ko ngayon sa Mega Mall, ha? Kung ano man ang kailangan mo, sabihin mo lang. Sino pa ba namang magmamalasakit sa nag-iisa kong kapatid, kundi tayong dalawa na lang, di ba? O siya, bye!
Bye-bye. Bye.
Tama!
Paano nangyari yun?
Talo ka! Talo ka! Talo!
Ang dami nun ah.
Hi, Papi. Halika nga rito. Anong ginagawa mo dito?
Binibisita ko si Papi.
Baby, I'm very happy. May kalaro na ako eh. Tinalo ko nga siya eh.
John!
Ma'am.
Bakit pinapasok mo ang taong yan dito?
Eh ma'am, si Letty po nagpapasok sa kanya eh.
Di ba na ako pa sinabi, huwag kayo magpapapasok dito ng mga taong mukhang di mapagkakatiwalaan?
Baby, halika. Bakit? Hindi mo ba siya kilala?
Oo nga naman, Papi. Sino nga ba ako?
Batang ito. Niloloko mo ba ako?
Oo nga, Papi. Sino nga ba yan?
Asawa mo. Ano ito? Game ka na ba? Maupo ka nga. Hilahin mo yung silya. Nasaan yung barong ko? isusuot ko bukas.
Bakit ho? Saan ho kayo pupunta? Sino ho ikakasal?
Pupunta ako ro sa burol ng best friend ko eh.
Papi, matagal na akong patay si Tito Levi. High school pa ho kayo nun.
Basta ihanda mo yung barong ko. Ha?
Sige po.
Thank you, baby. I love you.
I love you, Pa.
Papi! Papi!
Stephen!
Papi, look! Ibinili kita ng rubber ball para sa collection mo.
Oo nga, no? Bilog na bilog, ah. Thank you, ah. Oh, kiss mo mami mo.
Hi, sweetie.
Kiss your daddy. Sige na.
Kanino siyang anak?
What does it matter?
Joan! Joan! Huwag mo akong paglaruan.
Ano bang pakialam mo?
Huwag mo akong parusahan ng ganito, ah. I need to know if he's my son.
How dare you? How dare you? 8 taong ka mawawala, ni ha, ni ho. Wala kang paliwanag. Pagkatapos bigla ka susulpot dito, acting as if you're still part of my life. Kung ano man ang ginawa ko after you left me is none of your business. Stephen is my son, Dennis. He's my son, and that's all you need to know.
Anak ba siya ng lalaking kasama doon sa sports club?
Hindi mo talaga ako tatantanan, no?
Sagutin mo ang tanong ko, ah.
Well, if you must know, that man was my lawyer. Pinag-usapan namin mga ididemanda ko sa'yo. Abandonment, kidnapping, bigamy.
Ganon?
Oo.
Parang hindi meeting yung nakita ko. It looked to me more of a family outing.
Well, it was a family outing. It was a happy family outing. Ngayon, pwede ka na umalis? Ha?
O baka naman anak siya ni Nolly. Ang balita ko, nagkabalikan kayo nung wala na ako.
Dennis, hindi kita pinakikialaman. Huwag mong gawin sa akin.
Okay. Ipapa-DNA test ko ba? Bakit pa?
At pag nalaman mo kung sinong ama ni Stephen, will it matter? Magbabago bang takbo ng buhay mo dahil nalaman mo ang totoo? Magbabago bang ikot ng mundo? It will not change anything, Dennis. Anak mo man siya, o anak man siya ni Nolly. Wala pa rin amang anak ko.
John! John!
Red roses for a blue lady.
Saan galing?
It's in the card. Ano?
Mm.
Bumili ba ng flower farm si Papa Teddy at mukhang nilulunod ka sa bulaklak?
Ay, nako. Sabi ko na nga, nagigilty lang yan kasi 1 week na kaming hindi nagkikita. Ayun, nasa Germany, bumibili ng bagong motorboat. Pakidala na lang nga sa reception area itong mga to.
Sayang. Akala ko pa naman ay galing kay Papa Dennis.
Ba't naman ako padadalan nun? Wala na kaming ginawa kundi mag-away.
Uy! Foreplay!
Sira.
Yung mga tao mag-strike down ng set, nakakain na ba? Oh, nabigyan mo na ng instructions?
Nakakollect na ako ng 50%. I'll finish liquidation on Monday pa.
Monday pa? Ay, sa bagay ko naman ang in-charge dyan. Kaya mo lang. Ikaw na naman?
What? You'll have me arrested for gate crashing?
Excuse me sayang nga open house itong event na ito eh. I can't kick you out. Wala yata yung partner in crime mo.
Bumalik na sa Amerika si Celine. Kailangan na niya magtrabaho. Joan,
Dennis, I told you, okay? Hindi ako magko-cooperate sa annulment proceedings. Ikaw may gusto, do it yourself.
I came here to talk to you about the kids. Si Stephen in particular. I want to spend time with him.
Over my dead body.
Joanne, I want to spend time with him. Gusto ko siya makasama. Gusto ko talaga malaman kung anak ko siya. Now, kung talaga anak ko siya, then you're depriving me of a son.
Excuse me? Look who's talking. I seem to recall that many years ago, you deprived me of a daughter.
Okay. Let's make a deal. Mag-exchange kids tayo. I'll spend time with Stephen. Pwede mong ilabas si Lara. Try to bring the ball there. One more. Okay. Isa pa.
Good afternoon. You like that? Miss?
Yes, Mom?
Pakihanap na lang kung anong size niya kasi hindi ko alam kung ano eh. So, pakisukatan na lang.
Opo, Ma'am.
Lara?
Ma'am, hindi ho namin siya nakita.
Hinanap na po namin sa buong tindahan ng building. Hindi po namin siya nakita.
God.
Pero hanapin po namin, Ma'am.
Oo, pakilang, please.
Sige po.
Salamat.
Joanne, ano ba nangyari? Hindi ba kayo magkasama ng bata? Ano, pinabayaan mo?
Hindi ko alam paano siya nawala eh. We were just shopping. She was right beside me and then nawala na. She was gone. Kung saan-saan ko siya hinanap. 2 oras ko siyang hinanap.
2 oras lang nawawala ang anak ko? Ano ka ba?
Daddy!
Lara.
Ma'am, ito
Lara!
naman siya.
Lara, where have you been? I was worried about you. Are you
Nakita ko po
okay?
siyang lumalabas ng sinihan.
Salamat ho.
You watched the movie? I was going out of my mind and you watched the movie?
Daddy, she left me.
Ano? Aba,
I looked for her and she was gone. I was so scared. So I went into a movie house. I knew I'd be safe there.
aba Lara, what are you talking about? I didn't leave you. You left me. Ba't mo naman siya iiwan? Nagsisinungaling to, Dennis.
Daddy, can we please go home?
Lara?
I never want to see this crazy woman again.
Naniniwala ka sa kanya, Dennis? Hindi totoo sinasabi ng batang to.
Joanne, hindi ko pinalaki sinungaling ang anak ko. Pinabayaan mo siya. Let's go.
Lara!
Naging nervyosa si Joanne after she gave birth to Lara. Lagi siyang madaling magpanik, laging nasa stress, natataranta, lagi mainit ang ulo eh.
Lahat naman siguro ng new mothers ganun. Hindi pa ako handa magka-baby. Wala sa plano ko eh. But of course, I was very happy when Lara was born. Naging matagal lang nga ang postpartum depression ko.
Papi! 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 Papi!
Oh my God! Ano nangyari? Papi? Papi?
Papi!
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 Pa! Ah?
Joan, stable na ang kondisyon niya. Tawagan niyo lang ako kapag may problema.
Salamat ho, Doc.
Walang anuman.
Sige po. Hindi ko na alam kung saan na naman ako kukuha ng private nurse. Pang-anim na yata si Jun mula nang nagkasakit si Papi eh.
Bakit pa hindi na lang siya dalhin sa ospital?
Ayaw daw niya mamatay sa ospital. He wants to die at home.
Eh, ang laki ng pinayat niya.
Yeah.
He used to be a champion golfer. Naaalala mo ba yung speech niya sa wedding natin? Sabi niya, ako raw ang favorite son-in-law niya. Kasi raw may makasama na siya mag-golf. Diba?
At hindi siya maglalaro kung wala ka. Salamat sa pagsaklola mo kay Papi. Kung hindi ka dumating, baka...
Naging daddy ko rin naman si Papi. Kahit sandali lang.
Sino susundo sa akin sa airport? Si Miss Cheng. Oh, sige. Mabel, pakifax naman yung revised budget, ha?
Joyce!
Sandali!
Joyce, halika!
Papi!
Joyce! Joyce!
Papi! Ano ba? Sandali! Wag! Teka muna!
Joyce!
Papi! Papi
Saan tayo pupunta?
naman.
Ayoko ng ospital, ha?
O bakit?
Dennis, huwag mo akong dadalhin ng ospital, ha?
Hindi tayo pupunta sa ospital.
Pangako yan.
Dito lang tayo.
Si Joyce.
Sinong Joyce eh?
Si Joyce.
Yung nurse.
Ayoko
Halika
ng
na, Papi.
ospital.
Hindi po.
Joyce!
Pakibaba yung maleta,
Joyce!
please.
Halika! Ayoko ng ospital, ha?
Hindi po, pa.
Ayoko ng ospital.
Hindi, Papi. Hindi po.
Dennis, ha?
Akong bahala sa'yo dito, Papi.
O, sige. Pangako, ha?
Oo.
Joyce! Ayoko sa doktor. Gusto ko sa nurse.
Papi, pag di kayo nag-behave, iiwan kayo ng lahat ng nurses nyo.
Ikaw, iiwan mo rin ba ako?
Papi, pupunta lang po akong Hong Kong sandali. Babalik din po ako agad.
Malulungkot ako.
Malulungkot din po ako, pa. I love you, Papi. Sandali lang, pa.
Ma'am.
Uy, pasensya
Papi.
ka na, ha?
Meron akong mga bagong DVD. O gusto mo bang magdama-dama tayo?
Ayoko.
Anong gusto mo?
Gusto kong kalaro si Joyce.
3 days lang, Tita O-Ring, please. Baka naman pwedeng wag ka na muna mag-bingo. 100,000? Oo nga naman. Sige, balatuhan mo na lang ako pag nanalo ka, ha? Hello, si Mrs. Labdameo? Kailan ang balik? Sige, di bala na lang. Pakisabi tumawag yung pinsan niya, si Joanne. Okay, salamat.
Bakit?
Eh kasi wala na akong makuhang temporary nurse tapos lahat naman ng kamag-anak ko hindi available. Hindi ako makakaalis hanggat wala akong nakukuhang mapagkakatiwalaang magbabantay kay Papi.
Mapagkakatiwalaan mo ba ako?
Bakit ka nga pala napadaan?
I want to ask permission sana kung pwede ko sundin si Stephen sa school. Yung unang lakad namin, palpak eh. I just want to give it another try.
Dennis, I don't think Stephen is comfortable with you eh. But then who am I to talk? My own daughter hates me. Sige, payag na ako. Basta alagaan mo siya, ha?
I'll treat him like my own son.
Thanks also for offering to take care of Papi.
Okay.
Letty yung bahay, ah.
Opo, ma'am.
Sige.
Sige, mag-ingat ka.
You too.
Sino ka?
I'm Laura. Daddy said you're my Lolo.
I know a little girl. Her name is Lara, but she's only 4 years old.
That's not me. I'm almost 13.
No, you're 4 years old.
No, I'm 13.
Papi? Oh, magmerienda ka muna.
Papi! Papi! Look!
Hi, Stephen.
Sir, overseas call daw po.
Can you feed your lolo?
Yes, Dad.
Hello?
Hello, Dennis. Nasa bahay ka pa ba ni Joanne?
Dad said you have to
Celine,
eat this.
how are you?
I called your house. Your mom gave me this number.
Hindi, may pinapasend pa akong mga documents dito kay Joanne eh.
You haven't called me in a week. I've been worried.
Worried about what? Nadidelay lang ako dito.
You get
Joanne is making things difficult for us.
What? I thought she would cooperate.
you can go
Celine,
jogging and play
I'm doing things as quickly as possible, okay? And Precious, the last thing I need right now.
You know, I'm getting anxious pag wala akong balita. Call me more often, please.
I will.
I love you, Dennis.
I love you too. Bye.
Come on, one last bite, Lolo.
Uy, love na love sila ng misis niya.
Papi, this is Lara. Malaki na siya, no? Hi, Stephen. How come you're still awake? Computers din pala ang hilig mo, ha? Did you know na computers din ang trabaho ko sa Amerika? May tuturo ako sa'yo, ha?
Wow, galing! Can I try it?
Sige, sige. Click this one.
Wow, galing umaandar!
Baro, ha? Stephen? Sino kasama niyo ng mami mo doon sa sports club?
Si Tito Teddy.
Tito Teddy? Ano yung boyfriend ng mami mo? How do you know?
Holding hands.
Holding hands? Kissing?
Maybe. Paano to?
Do this. Oh. Do you like your
Galing.
Tito Teddy?
He teaches me how to swim.
Why? Is Tito Teddy your dad?
No, ikaw ang daddy ko.
Ha? Sino may sabi sa'yo?
Mommy.
Letty,
Ho?
Walang tuwalya sa kwarto ni Stephen.
Kukuha na ho ako.
Sandali. Doon pa sa dati?
Oo.
Ako na lang ang kukuha.
Lolo, what's this?
Oh. Oh. This is the hair of your mommy
Huh?
when she was a baby. I was the first one to cut her hair.
Lolo, you're such a pack rat.
I'm a rat?
No, it means you're like a rat. You never throw anything away.
Oh.
Keep stuff in, like, your pockets, these boxes, or your pillow.
You want to see your pictures?
I have pictures? And you kept them?
Of course. I don't throw anything. I'm a rat. Here. There you are. When you were small, with your mommy. That's your mom.
Lolo, can I borrow this for a while?
Sure.
Daddy, you lied to me! You told me Mom didn't love me when I was little, but that's not true!
What are you talking about?
See? It's all here in these pictures! She loved me when I was little. She's always hugging me and kissing me. But you took me away from her. You let me grow up without a mom!
Lara, you'll have a new mom soon. We talked about this in the States, remember? Celine will be your new mom.
I don't want a substitute mom. I want my real mom. Daddy, how could you do this to me?
Papi. Okay? Good night, Papi.
Dennis?
Huh?
Tinago ko sing-sing ninyo. Hindi na niya sinusuot eh. Good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. Sabi ni Lara yun.
Thanks, Papi. Good night. Okay?
Okay. Good night.
Papi, wake up! Breakfast na tayo. Papi, Papi, wake up! Gutom na ako eh. Papi? Papi, wake up! Papi! 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 Wake up! Papi! Papi! Papi!
Ba, Papi? Papi?
Papi! Papi!
Papi!
Papi!
Papi!
Papi!
Papi!
Papi! Papi, wag mo ako iwan. Papi! Papi! Mom!
Tignan mo yung bulaklak. Padala ni Teddy.
Mabel, look at those flowers. Di ba? Nasa na naman kaya yung taong yun, ano?
Tita, si Dennis ba yun? Oo. Aba, buhay pa pala yun?
Hindi lang yan. Dito natutulog yan.
Really, tita? Wow, how exciting.
Ang bigat-bigat na nitong batang to. Oo.
Tita Oring,
Mm.
daling ko na si Stephen sa kwarto.
O, sige. Ang bigat nito. Naku,
Ang bigat
dahan-dahan.
naman yan.
Mm.
Dennis,
Yeah?
do you remember me?
Oh yeah. Ikaw yung pinsan ni Joanne, di ba?
Yes,
Si Ami.
Amy. As in Marcos.
Kamukha mo nga siya.
No, just for
Sige.
Bye.
Pasok muna si Stephen, ha?
I stayed there
Ah,
for a
sige.
couple of months.
It's okay.
Dennis, long time no see.
Hi, Nolly. How are you?
I'm good. You know, there's something I've been meaning to talk to you about.
Maraming salamat uli sa lahat ng tinulong nyo, ha?
Anytime.
Sige, bye.
Sige.
Bye.
Sige.
You take care.
Salamat.
Stop. Stop, please.
Lara, go pack your things. We're going home to Lola's house tonight.
But Steven's still crying. He really misses Lolo. Please, can we stay a little while longer? My school opens in a month, and I want to spend my time here with my little brother. Stop, it's okay.
Lara, it's not up to me.
Mom? Can we please stay with you? I promise I'll be a good girl. I won't make you worry again. Please?
You may stay as long as you like, anak.
Hindi ka rin makatulog? Well, I have hot milk for you and peanut butter sandwich.
Ang galing talaga ng memory mo. But, nakalimutan mong kumain ng saging kanina for your daily potassium requirement.
Kita mo naman, ah. Kahit 4 years lang tayong kasal, we know each other quite well.
Talaga? So, kilalang-kilala mo na pala ako.
Of course. From the roots of your hair to the tips of your toes.
Kaya mo ko iniwan.
Anong koneksyon nun?
Di ba familiarity breeds contempt? Alam mo, Dennis, you don't know me at all. Not at all.
Would you say that when you married Joanne, hindi mo talaga siya kilala?
Hindi talaga, Doc. Nung mag-ona sila ni Nolly, hindi na ako masyadong sumasama sa kanila. Celine was already my girlfriend at the time, and she was very possessive. As a matter of fact, she didn't like my friends that much.
Ano ang impression mo kay Joanne at that time?
Mabait naman si Nolly sa kanya, kaya medyo spoiled siya. Nakikita ko naman na malambing siya kay Nolly. Kaya lang, Doc, kuminsan talaga malakas ang dating niya eh. Mataray.
Happy birthday!
Teddy, ayoko na ng bulaklak. You think flowers will make up for your constant absence? Ikaw ang kailangan ko, hindi roses, tulips, lilies, at kung ano-ano pa. My dad died. You weren't even there.
Joanne, I'm terribly sorry about your dad. Hindi ko naman sinasadya mawala sa funeral niya eh. I had a tournament in Guam. You know that.
Oh my
I was
God.
thousands of miles away. But I'll make it up to you. Joanne, will you be my wife? I love you. Marry me, please.
Tinutuo mo? Akala ko nagbibiro ka.
Joanne, gagawin ko bang biro ito? I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
You're so sweet.
Sweet? This is a 2-carat diamond ring. That's not sweet. That's expensive.
Teddy, alam mo bang ginagawa mo? This is too much. I don't know what to say.
Say I love you, I'll marry you, I'll be your wife.
Paano nag-propose ang marriage sa'yo si Dennis?
Propose? Anong propose? Siguro para sa kanya hindi na kailangan kasi nga buntis na ako eh.
I told her maybe we should get married. Total, magkakaanak na kami. Hindi pa ba proposal yun? Ano bang gusto niyang gawin ko? Bigyan ko siya ng sing-sing, lumuhod ako sa harap niya? In our case, that was unnecessary.
Yes na? Going? Going? Going?
Teka, sandali. I'm really flattered and I really appreciate your proposal. Pero nakakalimutan mo na as far as the law and the church are concerned, may asawa pa akong tao. And unfortunately, Dennis is still legally my husband. So I'm really sorry.
Belated happy birthday. Gusto mo mag-wish?
You remembered.
Ikaw na nga nagsabi na maganda memory ko, di ba? Nakakatawa nga eh. Because the kids and I plan a surprise party for you. Pero kami na surprise na hindi ka umuwi kanina.
Sinurprise din kasi ako ni Teddy.
Nakatulog na yung mga bata kahintay sa'yo. Ganito lang gawin natin. Let's just celebrate your birthday kapag may time ka na. Okay?
Thanks.
Happy birthday.
Good night.
Nagtataka, para bang nagbago ka. Hindi ka na katulad nung una. Makilala ka, may ngiti sa iyong mata, na para bang sa piling ko'y masaya. Hindi pala tunay ang pangako mo, na ko lamang ang mamahalin. Mayroong ibang nakahigit sa'kin, kung kaya't ako'y hindi mo na pinapansin. Ngayon'y paano na?
Dennis, hindi ako naging mabuting ina. Hindi ako naging mabuting asawa. I'm a bad person, Dennis. I don't deserve my children. I don't deserve you. Dennis, ba't ba bumalik ka pa?
Hindi pala tunay ang pangako mo, na ko lamang ang mamahalin. Mayroong ibang nakahigit sa'kin, kung kaya't ako'y hindi mo na
Yung nangyari sa atin yung isang gabi. Ayaw mong pag-usapan?
What for? Wala namang meaning yun, di ba?
Hindi ko dapat inilayo sa'yo si Lara. Alam kong maling-mali ako.
Well, thank you for bringing her back. Kahit sandali lang, nagkakilala kami.
Nagpapasalamat ako. Nakilala kong anak ko. Sinabi sa akin ni Stephen na sinabi mo raw sa kanya na akong ama niya.
Hindi ako makapagsinungaling sa kanya.
Salamat ha.
Watch out!
Let's go! Dali! Dali! Dali!
Miss kita!
Mami, ang galing ni Daddy!
Talaga? Saan?
Sa mga games! Ang dami naming napanalunan! Sabi pa ng mga classmates ko, my daddy is the best! Mami, pwede po ba ako sumama kay Daddy at Ate Lara papunta sa States? Pumayag ka na, Mami! Sige na, sabi ni Daddy pwede. Oh my God, he's coming with us? Yes! You can stay in my room! Yay! And we can have pillow
Joan.
Yay!
Joan,
You know, I was afraid of this. Sabi ko na nga ba kukunin mo rin si Stephen sa akin eh. Hindi ko na dapat siya pinasama sa'yo.
ano ka ba? Nagiging close kami ng anak ko. What's wrong with that? Hindi ko naman siya kukunin and I promised that, diba?
Promise? You promise? Nung kinasal tayo, sumampa ka, di ba? That you would love and cherish me for as long as we both shall live. If you couldn't even fulfill your vows, why should I believe your promises?
And you vowed to honor and obey me, but instead,
Instead, ano? Ibang ano? Tuloy mo!
Ibang lalaki.
Ibang lalaking ano? Ba't di mo sabihin? Yung mga bag nga, ibaba mo? Opo, ma'am.
Joan, sandali lang.
Bago matapos ang sinimulan, bago mo sabihin hanggang dito na lang, kausapin mo ako, puso'y wag mong saktan, wag tayong magalit, wala nang sisihan. Bago sabihin, nasa isipan, bago ka lumuha, bago ka magdamdam, kausapin mo ako, kahit na sandali, mga puso natin sana'y di magkamali. Puso sa puso, pag-usapan natin. Sama ng loob, wag nating pansinin. Pagmamahalan, wag sanang maglaho. Mag-usap tayo ng puso sa puso. Bago magbago ang kulay ng mundo, bago mo sabihin, isip mo'y nagbago, kausapin mo ako nang di sumisigaw, ang nais marinig nitong puso'y ikaw. Puso sa puso, pag-usapan natin. Sama ng loob, wag nating pansinin. Pagmamahalan, wag sanang maglaho. Mag-usap tayo ng puso sa puso.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry sa mga pinagsasabi ko kanina.
Ako rin ang dami kong sinabing hindi dapat. Dennis, I'm so sorry I hurt you. Hindi ko sinasadya.
Ayaw din naman kitang saktan eh.
I completely lost control.
Because you're too emotional.
Siguro next time mag-usap muna tayo.
Like adult.
Yeah. Dennis, you don't know how sorry I am.
Kalimutan na natin yan. Joan.
Hmm?
Alam mo bang first time mo nag-sorry sa akin?
Ano? Of course not. Ikaw nga yung... Oo nga, no? I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It means a lot to me. Thanks, ha?
In your 4 years of marriage, you had what is known as personality adjustment behavior. Masyado naging maikli ang pagsasama niyo para matutunang tanggapin ang pag-uugali ng isa't isa.
Demanding si Joanne eh. Stubborn, bossy. Ayaw niyang aminin yung mga pagkakamali niya eh. But she can be very, very nice. Kaya lang, maya-maya biglang galit na. Mahirap spellingin yung babae na yan.
Si Dennis minsan nakaka-frustrate kausap. Minsan tahimik lang, di mo alam kung anong iniisip. Minsan naman galit na pala, hindi ko pa alam. Mahirap ano, di ko mapredict yung moods niya.
Now, this past month, I think we've improved a lot. We're trying hard to talk to each other, communicate. Nakakapagod kasi mag-away palagi. At least ngayon, nananaba kami dahil sa kalulunok ng pride. Joanne? Nagkausap kami ni Celine sa phone.
Oh, nagalit ba siya at nandito ka pa?
Hindi. Masaya nga siya eh. Dumating siya kahapon because she didn't want to miss my birthday.
Ang sweet naman.
Ang gusto nga niya, tayong apat ang mag-celebrate.
Ano? She's crazy.
No. I think it's a good idea.
You're crazy.
Matagal ko nang gusto ma-meet yung boyfriend mo. Don't you think it's about time na makilala ko naman yung ipapalit mo sa akin?
Dennis, pare, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thanks.
To what else? How about to happiness? Is everybody happy?
I'm happy.
How about our children? Well, except, syempre, wala pa akong anak. But Joanne and I plan to have children in the future.
Really?
Diba? Kain, you know the food here is great. And I love good food. At basta may bagong bukas na restaurant, Joanne and I will try it out together. Diba?
Well, Celine chose his restaurant. Between the two of us, siya yung gourmet. Right, sweetie?
I'm a graduate of the Culinary Institute of America in New York.
Hey, I'm impressed. Han, di ba nag-aral ka rin ng cooking and baking?
Really? You did? Where? In Europe?
Sa cookbook ni Nora Daza.
No, I remember when we were newly married. Si Joanne nagsubok siyang magsaing, pero nasunog. But that was the time na na-addict ako sa tutong.
You eat tutong?
With sugar.
With sugar.
Yuck.
I hate totoo, hindi ba? Di ba nakakabali ng ngipin yun? Pare nung pa.
Tama na, Teddy. Alam mo, hindi talaga ako umiinom eh. Alam mo, ang problema ko kapag nalalasing ako, gumagawa ako ng mga bagay-bagay na pinagsisisihan ko pagkatapos. Nung gabi ng engagement ni Nolly at ni Joanne, I remembered they had a big fight and they broke up.
Pinagtapat sa akin ni Nolly na may anak na pala siya sa ibang babae. Yun ang di ko natanggap. So that night, I went to this bar where my friends and I usually hang out. Gusto ko lang uminom ng konti. Kalimutan sandali yung problema ko.
Nandun din ako. I was trying to get drunk. Nag-away din kami ni Celine. May boyfriend pala siya sa Amerika at yun ang gusto niyang pakasalan.
Tapos, lumapit si Dennis sa akin.
Si Joanne ang lumapit sa akin.
Umupo siya sa tabi ko.
Siya ang umupo sa tabi ko.
Nagsumbong ako sa kanya tungkol kay Nolly.
I told her that Celine broke up with me.
By that time, medyo nakainom na kaming dalawa.
John consoled me.
Dennis comforted me.
And that night,
May nangyari sa amin.
Cheers!
cheers.
Mm.
I'll do it.
By the way, pare, I've asked Joanne to be my wife.
Congratulations. When is the wedding?
Actually, ang sabi ko kay Ted...
As soon as maanal daw ang marriage ninyo, we'll set the date. Kaya huwag kayong mawawala, ah. Hey, wait. Usap tayo sandali.
Ted, I'm really tired and I'm really sleepy. Pahinga ka na.
Lunch tomorrow?
I have a lunch meeting.
Dinner. Cocktails. Midnight snack.
Okay, dinner.
I'll pick you up at 7.
Okay, bye.
Love you.
Akala ko kina Celine ka matutulog.
She's leaving for the States tomorrow.
O, ang bilis naman. Di ba kararating lang niya?
Nag-away na naman kami.
Bakit na naman?
As usual, yung pagiging possessive na naman niya.
Diyos ko naman. Ano pa bang kinaka-insecure niya? Ipakakasalan mo na siya, di ba?
Pakakasalan mo rin pala si Teddy, no?
Oh.
Joan. Would you like to have dinner with me tomorrow night?
What?
As in dinner date.
Mom? What are you doing?
Lara! My God, ginulat mo ko. Just don't do that again, okay?
Were you peeping inside the shower?
Of course not. I was just going to put towels inside, but then your dad's in there. Why is he in there?
The shower in his room is broken.
Ah, ganun ba? Okay.
Mom, you were watching Daddy take a shower.
I was not. Lara, ano ba?
Yes, you were.
No, I was not.
I was watching Mommy watching Daddy taking a shower.
You're not gonna tell your dad, are you?
No.
Great. Thank you.
Daddy, guess what?
What?
I saw Mommy watching you take a shower.
Stop making up stories, okay?
No, it's true. She told me not to tell you anything, but I didn't promise anything.
Look at that face. Look at your smile. Come on, get out of here. Get out!
Dennis, can you help me put this on, please?
Uy, akit na nga kayo.
Letty, may tao. Okay?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Ma'am, si Sir Teddy po.
Dennis, 5 minutes lang. 5 minutes lang. Sandali.
Han, you look great. These are for you.
Hi.
Mm.
Um,
What? You're not ready? Hun, I made some reservations, so we can't be late.
Wait. I'm sorry. I can't go out with you. Lalabas kami ni Dennis.
Joanne, tayo may usapan ngayong gabi, di ba?
Yeah.
I asked you last night, you said yes.
Yeah.
Are you saying now what? Baliwala na ako?
No, Ted. I'm so sorry. It was an honest mistake. I just completely forgot. I'm sorry.
Alam mo, sabi ko na nga ba ginagamit mo lang ako?
Ted.
You used me.
Ted, no.
You used me.
It's not...
You
No,
know, the whole time
Teddy.
akala ko mahal mo ko.
Ted, this is really not the time or place to discuss this, okay? Ted, ano ka ba? Ano ba?
Joanne, mahal mo pa ba asawa mo?
That's ridiculous.
Then let's go.
Teddy, I can't go with you.
Talagang pinapaliwala mo na ako, ha?
Ano ka ba? Teddy, Dennis, stop it! Ano ba? Stop it na! Stop it. Okay, enough. Tama na. Please, Teddy.
Tatanan mo na asawa ko, ha?
Enough na.
Asawa mo? Asawa mo? Anong klaseng asawa ka? You don't deserve her, pare! If you were a good husband, you do everything to keep your wife. Hindi ka papayag na mapunta siya sa ibang lalaki!
Dennis, please, Teddy, pwede ba magpasensyahan na lang tayo sa nangyari? Tsaka na natin ito pag-usapan, okay? Pwede tsaka na tayo mag-usap? Dennis?
Tama si Teddy. I don't deserve you.
Kaya ba pinawalang bisa mong kasal natin?
John, hindi pa tayo annulled.
80 years na tayong hindi nagsama, Dennis. Now all we're waiting for are the documents voiding our marriage. Okay ka ba?
Physically or emotionally?
Maybe this will help you relax.
Halika.
Huwag magtaka kung ako ay di na naghihintay ng anumang kapalit ng imalay kong
Siguro huling sayaw na natin ito.
kulang man ang iyong pagtingin.
Naalala mo noon, laging tayong partners dahil hindi marunong sumayaw si Nolly.
Alam mo bang inaaway niya ako? Pag sinasayaw kita.
Talaga?
Yeah, he was very jealous.
He never told me.
Inaaway niya ako dahil sa'yo. Kahit girlfriend ko na si Celine. And you know what his worst nightmare was?
Ano?
Na tayo magkakatuluyan. And it actually happened.
Well, he was wrong. Dahil kayong dalawa ni Selena magkakatuluyan. Dennis? Bakit mo ko iniwan noon?
Because I was stupid.
Ako ay mahalin mo.
Where do you think you're going?
Oh my God, anong nangyari kagabi?
Anong nangyari?
Well, I mean...
Eh, ano ngayon?
Okay, wait ah. Sino nagyaya this time? Ako o ikaw?
Eh, ano naman kung sino ang nagyaya?
Sino nga? It's important to me. Ano ba? Sino nga?
I do not believe this.
Dennis, pinoprocess na annulment natin and we have no business being in bed together. Ano sasabihin ni Dr. Tamayo?
Ay.
Ano isipin ni Celine?
Naguguluhan ako.
Ay, naku, dapat lang.
Alam mo, I've been thinking. Bakit ba napaka-importante sa atin kung sino nagseduce kanino? matagal natin pinag-awayan yan. And I find it so petty. May mawawala ba sa atin kung ako o ikaw ang nauna? Katulad nung nangyari sa atin 12 years ago. Do you know why I think nangyari yun? Dahil matagal na tayo may attraction sa isa't isa. And attraction can develop into love, di ba? Kuminsan nga, kung sino pa yung hindi mo makasundo, siya pa napapamahal sa'yo eh. Hindi ko pala nabanggit sa'yo. After Papi's funeral, nagkausap kami ni Nolly. At ang sabi niya, ikaw raw laging tumatawag sa kanya at gusto makipagkita.
At the time na pinakasalan mo si Dennis, mahal mo pa ba si Nolly?
Hindi ko alam. Galit pa ako eh.
Kahit kasal na kami, lagi pa rin silang nagkikita at nag-uusap ni Nolly.
Nolly and I became good friends. Masama ba yun?
Ang sabi ni Nolly, nagpapaturo ka raw kung paano ka mapapamahal sa akin. Because you're starting to fall in love with me. Totoo ba yan?
Paano mapapamahal sa yung isang taong alam mong napilitan lang na pakasalan ka?
Ang feeling ko no matter what I did to make Joanne love me, si Nolly pa rin ang mahal niya.
Hindi niya alam na ilang beses ko siyang narinig sa phone, kausap si Celine overseas.
The marriage was a mistake right from the start. Who cares?
If you don't care, I don't care.
Huwag na tayo pumasok.
I could sleep here for a million years.
Nga pala, invited ka dun sa golden wedding anniversary ng parents ko.
What?
Sabi ko na nga ba magigising ka eh. Ang mama at ang papa ang nag-i-invite sa'yo.
Hindi ba galit sila sa akin? Why would they invite me?
Sabi ko sa kanila, kahit golden anniversary nila, hindi ako pupunta kapag wala ka.
Uminom ka muna, oh.
Bakit?
Ano ba? Nakakainis ka! Nakakainis!
Dali, gusto mo to?
No.
Surprise!
Ma? Pa? Randy? Oh, bakit nandito ka pa?
Honey, hindi ako natuloy. I didn't want to fly until we kissed and made up. And mabuti na lang that I decided to stay another week. So now I can attend your parents' golden wedding anniversary. And I wouldn't miss it for anything. Ay, kaya honey, do you think we live long enough to celebrate our golden wedding?
Hi, Dad. Hello, Daddy.
Hello.
Daddy, he's cheating.
Oh.
Hindi po
Yes,
ako
you
madaya.
were.
Mahusay lang po talaga ako.
O sige na, huwag na kayo magulo, huwag na kayo mag-away. Hi.
Hi.
Ano? Yeah, but if I move it over here, this way, is it allowed? Hindi. Oh.
What's wrong?
Nandito pa si Celine. 1 week pa raw siya.
So?
Pupunta raw siya sa wedding anniversary ng parents ko.
Well, did they invite her?
No. But she assumed that she was invited. Ayoko nandun kayong dalawa. Ayokong may skandalo ang mga relatives ko.
Eh di hindi na lang ako pupunta para walang problema.
Ikaw ang gusto ko makasama, hindi si Celine.
Sinabi mo ba sa kanya? Ayaw mo yun? It's the perfect opportunity to introduce her to everyone as your fiancé.
Joanne, sandali lang.
Dennis, for once. For once lang, ipaglaban mo ko.
I composed that for you.
I know. Thank you. Ted, I'm sorry for what happened.
Hey. I want to apologize. I'm sorry.
I provoked you.
You know it's not the first time that I've been rejected by a beautiful woman. And I know it's not going to be the last.
Ted, you're so lovable. You're so easy to love. Any girl would be so blessed to have you. Bakit ba hindi lang tayo para sa isa't isa?
I guess sorry na lang tayo, di ba?
I'm sure one day makikilala mo rin ang babaeng para sa'yo. Yung tama para sa'yo.
Sweetie, don't worry about me. All I ever wanted was for you to be happy. Are you happy?
Ewan ko, magulo ako.
Come here. Everything will be okay.
I love you just the way you are. Huwag kang magbabago, okay?
Celine, marami na akong pagbabago.
Oh? Like what?
I still love my wife.
Nung 4 na taong pagsasama niyo bilang mag-asawa, wala ka man lang naramdamang kahit konting pagmamahal sa kanya?
Mahirap sabihin yan eh. Hindi ako sure.
Hindi mo ini-examine ang feelings mo para sa kanya?
I was afraid of my real feelings.
Dennis can be emotional. Pero iba yun sa feelings, di ba? At that time kasi, hirap siyang mag-express ng kung ano ba talagang nasa loob niya.
So did you really love me? Or you just wanted to prove something to yourself? Tapos nung makuha mo na uli ako, ayaw mo na sa akin.
Hindi ko alam kung paano ko talaga i-explain. Sa tingin ko, nung nagkita tayo ulit sa Amerika, I found out you were already divorced. I thought we were meant for each other, and that I still love you. Pero, noong nakabalik na ako dito sa Pilipinas, I realized what we had in the past is past. And it's gone.
So it's true. Everything comes full circle. Dito tayo nagsimula. Dito rin pala tayo magtatapos.
Celine, I'm sorry it had to end this way.
Please, Dennis, no more apologies.
Hello?
Hello, Letty.
Ay, sir.
Andiyan ba si Joan?
Pumasok na po ng opisina eh.
Si Stephen andiyan ba?
Ay, may field trip po.
Sinabi mo ba kay Joan na ilang beses na ako tumatawag dyan?
Oo, pero hindi siya kumikibo eh.
Sige.
Events 2020, good morning.
Hello, Julie. Si Dennis Rusty ito. Andiyan bang boss mo?
Wala po, sir eh. Hello?
Hello, sir? Hello?
Sige. Salamat ha.
Julie, anong sabi?
Ma'am, parang naiiyak siya eh.
Alam mo, naawa na ako kay Papa Dennis. Biglang kampi na ako sa kanya. Traidor.
Puros kayo gantihan eh. Para kayong mga bata!
Excuse me.
Diyos ko, huwag mo na kasing torturin ang sarili mo. Pride lang naman ang pinaiiral mo eh. Nako, pag bumalik si Dennis sa US of A, ewan ko na lang, no? Ang aso ay lumalawid din ng dila sa kakakabol.
Come in. Ah, Mr. Rustia, the man I wanted to see. Good morning.
Hi, attorney.
Sit down, please. What can I do for you?
Attorney, I'd like to withdraw my petition for annulment. Ayoko nang ituloy.
I'm sorry. Hindi na pwede. In fact, nakaschedule na yung pre-trial natin, what, day after tomorrow. I was about to call you to tell you this.
During the first 2 years of our marriage, wala kaming ginawa ni Dennis kundi mag-away.
Nung araw na umalis siya, anong pinagawain niyo?
Wala. Wala nga eh. That's the irony of it eh. Kasi 1 month na halos kaming hindi nag-aaway nun.
So you can imagine, di ba, how confused I was nung bigla na lang niya akong iniwan.
Actually, Doc, I did not have the intentions of leaving permanently. I just wanted to be by myself, to think about things. Gusto ko lang magbakasyon. Pero nung nagkita kami ni Celine, alam mo na kung anong nangyari.
Galit na galit ako. Grabe. Hindi lang dahil sa umalis siya, kundi sa kung paano siya umalis.
But the minute I sat down inside that plane, I suddenly missed Joanne. And I wish that she was sitting beside me.
Nung na-realize ko na wala na si Dennis, umiyak ako ng umiyak. And then I made a vow to myself na bumalik lang siya, na I would take him back. And mamahalin ko siya ng walang hinanakit.
Nandiyan na pala si Miss Rustia.
Opo, kapapasok lang niya. Kayo po ba si Mr. Rustia?
Ako nga.
Actually, 10 o'clock pa po yung appointment ninyo eh.
Gusto ko sanang kausapin muna si Miss Rustia bago niya kausapin si Fiskal.
Hintayin niyo na lang po, sir.
Mrs. Rustia, talaga bang wala ng pag-asa na magkasundo at magkabalikan kayo ng asawa mo?
Your Honor, hindi totoong mga binibintang ng asawa ko sa akin. I insist that I was not psychologically incapacitated when we got married. Siya nga itong di makakomply sa essential marital obligations because he was still in love with someone else when he married
Your
me.
Honor, this woman is
Sandali lang.
lying.
Nag-uusap pa kami. Please leave.
Your Honor, hindi totoo sinasabi niya. Kung talagang di niya ako mahal, bakit niya ako pakakasalan?
Well, you
didn't
deceived
have to
me.
marry
You manipulated me. You fooled me
Kahit
to
kasal
thinking
tayo,
I had to
nakikita pa
marry
rin
you.
kayo ni Noli.
Yung pala tatakasan mo lang ako para pakasalan si
ganon.
Celine. At saka we became good friends. Bakit
Come
mo
on, you
binigyan
want me
mali
to
siya
believe
yun? You've got some nerve.
I know
Ano
you
ko
so
ngayon?
well.
Baka wala ako, ganon.
Eh, ikaw nag-pick up sa bar.
I picked you up. Excuse me kung biglang mo po sa tabi ko.
Eh, nag-iiyak ka nun eh. May problema ka mo. Ako, pinagbigyan kita.
Pinagbigyan mo ako? Ha? Nakita mo ba yung itsura mo nun? Puro uhog yung mukha mo sa kakaiyak dahil iniwan ka ng girlfriend mo. Kadiri ka.
Kadiri! You're the one who seduced me. Akong kadiri?
Dennis, when are you gonna take responsibility for
When will
something?
you stop
for
being
anything?
holier than thou?
Where can I help it? Nilasing mo ako.
Hindi
Pilit
kita
ko
nilasing.
pinupuno ang
You were
baso
drinking
ko.
one bottle of scotch
You
already
took
that night.
advantage of me.
Hindi kita pinilit.
Well, ano pang gagawin ko? Nandun na
O
yun.
sino pa wala sa atin?
That's enough! Hindi sa bunga ng opisina ko. Kung hindi nyo kayang makapag-usap ng maayos tungkol sa kaso ninyo, go back to your lawyers. You're both wasting my time.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, Your Honor.
Dad, I'm hungry. Can we please go home now?
Lara, did you know that when your mom and I got married, it was right here, 14 years ago.
Maybe if you and Mom get back together, you can have a golden wedding here too.
I hope so. I really hope so.
Go for it, Dad. But this time, don't blow it, okay?
Papi, I miss you so much. Sana nandito ka to tell me what to do. Gulong-gulo na ang isip ko pa. Ang dami kong gustong itanong sa'yo.
Ba't di mo sa akin itanong? Ilang araw na kitang hinahanap.
Bakit? Anong kailangan mo?
Gusto ko sanang ibigay sa ito kung tatanggapin mo.
Where did you get this?
Papi gave this to me the night before he died. Siguro matagal niya tinago to mula nung ayaw mo nang isuot. Will you wear this again? For me? I know things have been very difficult mula nung bumalik ako sa buhay mo. Kung nahihirapan ka, mas nahihirapan ako. Dahil akong umiwan sa'yo. Hindi ko alam kung paano ako makakabalik sa'yo. All these years, nasabi ko sa sarili ko na hindi kita mahal. That I shouldn't have married you. Pero alam mo, hindi yan ang sinasabi ng puso ko. Joan, matagal na kitang mahal, pero nilalabanan ko. I thought I'd betrayed Noli by loving you. Pero mali ako. But instead, I betrayed you. Joanne, I love you so much. You're my wife. Ikaw ang mahal ko, hindi si Celine. Hanggang ngayon, wala ka pang kapalit sa buhay ko. Do you love me? I want to hear you say that you love me.
Dennis. Dennis, I fell in love with you the day I married you. When you became my husband. And all these years, kahit nung wala ng pag-asa makikita pa tayo uli, I never stopped loving you.
Subukan natin muli.
Tayo ngayon ay nagkakatipon bilang isang Kristiyanong sambayanan upang saksihan ang magiging pinakadakila at pinakamahalagang pangyayari sa buhay ni na Cesar at Mariquit.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Dad. Alam mo ba nagkamali ka?
Saan?
We haven't danced our last dance yet. Pagdating ng golden wedding anniversary natin, sumasayaw pa rin tayo.
Are you sure?
I'm so sure. I've never been so sure in my life na masaya ako.
Hindi ka natatakot sa gagawin natin?
Hindi ako natatakot.